Today, I am going to show you how to create a word search puzzle in Canva, completely for free. This is a perfect kids worksheet that you can print out, use for school, or even sell on Etsy as a digital product. Let's get started. All right, open Canva and click the plus icon to create a new design. Search for Worksheet and choose the portrait size. First, give this project a name so you can find it easily later. Now, to create the word search, we need to install an app. Don't worry, we will only use the free features. Go to Apps and search for Word Search. This is the app. Click on it to install. With this app, you can create multiple things: word search, crosswords, mazes, and some other things which is paid. Today, we will only create a word search, which is completely free. Now, here you can enter words manually or upload a file. Below that, you will find some word list presets, like animals, countries, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to get words. Just type "write some words for word search," and it will give you words in different categories like nature, gaming, tech, and more. You can copy those words and paste them here. For this tutorial, I'll use the animals preset. Below that, you can enable this toggle to generate multiple puzzles at once and choose how many you want.
You will find some more settings here.
I'll disable it for now since I want to generate just one puzzle to show you. Now, click on Word Search Settings. Here you can disable the grid lines, change the highlight answer color, and adjust settings like maximum number of words, number of rows and columns, and more. Adjust everything as you want. Once the customization is done, click Generate. It will add 3 things to the page: the crossword with highlighted answers, and the word list. I'll add the highlighted answers image to a new page. Now let's work on the puzzle page. First, increase its size. Select the words, change the font. I'll search for Poppins and apply it. Select the medium thickness. Now separate the words into groups of 4. And place them at the bottom of the puzzle. Now let's add some text at the top left. Press T on your keyboard to add text. Type animals, since this puzzle is about animals. Make it bold. Add one more text below. Make it unbold. And type word search. Change the alignment to left. Below that, add one more line and type "find the word hidden in the word search." Lastly, go to Elements, search for Animals, open Graphics, add the one you like, and adjust its size. And our puzzle page is ready. To make the answer page, duplicate this, copy the answer image, paste it here and adjust its size. Next, go to Position, open Layers, and delete the image behind. Now delete the instruction line, since this is the answer page. Press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Resize it and place it below the word search text. Then go to Colors and change it to match your design. Inside it, type answer keys. Make it uppercase and adjust the size. Make the corners slightly rounded, and just like that, both pages are ready. Now let me show you how to quickly create another quiz using the same method. Go back to the app and this time let's use ChatGPT words. I'll select the Nature category. Go back to the app and paste the words here. Make sure each word is on a separate line, no commas or any special characters. Once the words are added, click Generate, and the new quiz is added to the page. Now duplicate the first page, move it down, copy the new quiz, and paste it here. Adjust the size, go to Position, and delete the old image. Change the words, update the title, and swap the graphic to a nature one from Elements. And our new quiz is ready. For the answer page, duplicate this, copy and paste the answer image, adjust its size, delete the old image, and copy the answer keys text from the previous design. And we are done. And that's how you create a word search puzzle worksheet in Canva, completely for free. Give this video a like if you learned something new. And for more fun Canva projects like this, check out my coloring book and storybook videos next. I'll see you there.